Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, so welcome to my A Square House for which we have created for travel agents, for students, ITAS learner, air ticketing training programs for travel agents, and for the languages program. Now, let me explain to you like what would be the today's session. Today's session will work on promotional and the private fairs. Now, let me tell you, because we are running these promotional fairs and private fair session throughout the world, because we are running this session in Spain, we are running this session in France, in UK, in India, and entire world we are running this session because, for example, you are Indian. If I know your language, okay, and I can explain the things in a very better way. The same way we are running the same campaign in Spanish because I know Spanish. I am running the same campaign in France because I know French. So we are running these programs in different languages so that the travel agents who are not aware of promotion and the private fare of the airlines, at least they can aware it out and they can come to know like how to take the private fares from the airlines. So basically the today module is to construct a fare, like what are NUCs, what is NUCs in fares, which we call as neutral unit of conversion, what are MPM, which we call as maximum permitted mileage in the air ticketing, what is TPM, which is ticketing point mileage, what is your fare break point, what are your see, in air ticketing process there are a lot of things. We have fare break point, which we call as FBP. We have EMS, which we call as extra mileage surcharge. Now, I have seen, because I am from Chandigarh, I am from Punjab, so I have seen a lot of things. A lot of travel agents, like they have opened a travel agency, but they don't know how it entails. They have opened a travel agency, but they're not aware of the ticketing rules and regulations. They're not aware like how to construct the fares. So today I will explain to you guys, if you really want to open your travel agency, or if you already have opened your agency and you want to take your agency's revenue up, if you want to give your revenue a good hike, I would say, okay, so you have to have a great understanding about your promotion and the private fares. Now one thing you have to understand, you calculate one thing. For example, you have your travel agency, okay, and you buy the ticket from a different travel agency. So these travel agency from where you buy your tickets, okay, how they are getting the promotional fares. So this is the funda I will explain to you, because this is a session if you are really want to open your travel process, a travel business, because a travel business is very good, because it is not you are looking forward for a big investment. Basically in travel profile, a travel business, there is no investment, because normally if you open your a different process like clothing, you open the grocery shops, there could be investment of 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, but in travel business there is no investment. It is just you have to have a good understanding about your softwares, okay, like I will train you in Galley, I will train you a lot of airline software which I will train to you, okay. So basically just you have to have a software, okay, and it will be your process, because this is a worldwide softwares. You can book your tickets anytime, but yes, you have to have understanding about the codings, and in order to get a good fares, a fair construction, you have to have a good knowledge about your promotional and the private fares, which I will explain to you. Because understand the concept, what is my private fares, private, which is hidden fares, I would say. So the private fares, we have a command which we have to take a tie with the airlines, and we can directly get the private fares from the airlines. Now I will explain to you like how it works. Let me take my camera near to my whiteboard, okay, 1 second please. Let me take my camera near to my whiteboard. Okay, all right. So I hope, I believe, is this visible to you? Yeah, all right. All right. So today the topic is basically the today we have a topic is introduction to international promotional fairs. We have introduction introduction to private and promotional fares. Private, like how to calculate private and promotional fares. It is very important to understand the concept of private and promotional fare. Very important. Very important. For example, guys, you want to travel from Adelaide to Honolulu to Adelaide. For example, you want to travel from Adelaide to Honolulu to Adelaide. It is just, for example, because this is Adelaide we have in Australia, which lies in area 3. Honolulu, which is in Hawaii Island, Hawaii time zone we call as. This is in area 1, USA, and here is in my area 3. Now you have to understand, because in order to calculate private and promotional fares, see, I will give you a good expertise in promotion and the private fares. Okay, so for example, you have to understand first what would be my fare break point. What would be my fare break point? So in that case, your fare break point wherein your journey is breaking at Honolulu. So Honolulu is your fare break point, HNL. Is that clear to you? Now, for example, in order to calculate the promotion and the private fares, we have to understand first the seasonality of the fare. Seasonality. Because the private and the promotional fares, you will get a sheet of. It is already uploaded in the system sometimes, but yes, sometimes we get the sheet from the airlines about the private and the promotional fares. So we have to have understanding about my seasonality. So basically, we have 3 type of fares. We have peak fares, peak season fares. We have shoulder season fare. We have peak season fare. Okay, we have shoulder season fare. It is very important. See, once you will get enrolled with my A Square House, A Square Languages, A Square training program, I will explain to you in detail like what is my peak season, what is my shoulder season, and what is my basic season. So basically, in order to calculate private and the promotional fares, I have to have a good understanding about my seasonality, like peak fares, shoulder season fare, and the basic fare. Is that clear to you? So now, for example, it is just I want to give it to you, the differentiate between the private and the market fare. For example, normally what you do is, for example, if I want to travel to Adelaide to Honolulu, I will do a command of availability. I will do the command of availability. For example, if it is a Galileo system, in Galileo we have a command of Apple date. For example, you want to travel on 24th of, for example, you want to travel on 14th of March. Okay, 14th of March. Okay, and we have a city pair from Adelaide to Honolulu. This is a command, Adelaide to Honolulu. Then we have a star. We have, for example, airline HA, which is Hawaii airline, or maybe the United airline, any airline. Okay, all right. The same command if I will make on Amadeus, I will do a command of A and date. We have a city pair, Adelaide to Honolulu slash A. It is a command which we have to do by default, and then we have UA, my airline, or either my HA, which is my Hawaii airline. So the moment you will make the entry, you will do the entry, there will be a picture, there will be a display, like the display would like this: Adelaide to Honolulu. It will show the seats availability like Y7, B7, G4 and K8. For example, we have G8 and K4. This is my class of service. And Honolulu to Adelaide on the way back. Honolulu to Adelaide, we have, for example, again Y7, B7, Z4 and K0, for example. So, for example, while going outbound travel, this is called as your Adelaide to Honolulu. Honolulu is my fare break point, and to Adelaide. So my outbound journey is Adelaide to Honolulu, and my inbound journey is Honolulu to Adelaide. Sorry, yes, Honolulu to Adelaide. Okay, so my outbound journey, we are see basically we start the seats. We start like which class with the lowest. So for example, take an example like K class is the lowest, and we are taking the market fare. This is not a private fare which we are calculating now. The market fare. Like I will give the differentiate between the market fare and the private fare. For example, you put K class while going out, outbound travel. For inbound, you don't have K class, you will pick G class of service, and the total fare I would say is, for example, 84,000. Okay, if you put going out K class and is a mix, this is mixed class. Ticket will be issued in the mixed class K and G, and K and G fare is 84,000. Because this is my market fare. If you do the command of in Amadeus FXR, or if you do the command in Galileo FQBB, it will show you the fare of mixed class, because going out we have K class available, on the way back we have K0 class, so we'll pick G class. So it's a mixture of K and G class, 84,000. This is my market fare. Like in other websites you'll get a fare in every travel companies. But what for my private fare? Private fares are those fares which you will take the airlines, which you will directly take from the airlines. You will get the code from the airlines in terms of private fare. For example, my code is U844. For example, my private code is, which I have, see, I will explain to you like how you will take the private code from the airlines. In the training session, we'll explain to entire thing, because this is a training, like I want you to be expert in travel and ticketing process. So for example, you get a code of 844 from the airlines. And if you're doing an ITAS course, you will get a sheet of the private fare in which you have to see the seasonality. For example, if March is my shoulder season, so I have to go on the column of shoulder season. I will check my private fares. For example, you get a sheet, the private fare of the sheet, we have a seasonality of peak season. Okay, we have a shoulder season, and we have a basic season, right? Now, peak fare with mixture of K and G class, that is, I would say, for example, 94,000. Shoulder season is 74,000, and basic is 64,000. So I have to have understanding about, and for example, because the March is my shoulder season, right? March is my shoulder season. If I will take the private fare, that's supposed to be, that is my 74,000, which is 10,000 cheaper from the market. Which is 10,000 cheaper from the market. Here, 74, but here we have a fare of 84,000. So this is how the differentiate work in the travel process in the market. If you have a good understanding about like how to, I will explain to you that it is just I am giving the introduction of private and promotional fares, like how it works. Once you will enroll yourself, I will definitely explain to you like how to calculate these private fares. If you will do the entry of FXR slash R comma U844, if you do the entry FXR slash R comma, this is my private fare, my 84,000, if you get a code from the airlines for example, so your fare will drop down by 6,000, by 7,000, because this is the command of my private fares, right? But it is just we have to take this code will take directly will get from the airlines, and airlines will take our pseudo, and he will upload the private fare in my system. Is that clear to you? Okay, let me explain to you. One second. Okay, now just try to understand my concept over here and like how these works, how these private fare works. It is very important to understand. See, you know what? We calculate the fare as in half RT. In order to calculate the private fare and the promotional fare, what we do is we take the fare as in half RT. So this is we called as if that, for example, if you really want to open your own travel process or own travel agency, I will definitely advise you, whether if you're from India, you're from UK, you're from Spain, because there are a lot of travel agents who are associated with me. They're learning the travel process because I'm giving a proper training of ticketing process, like how it works and how you can go for a competition with this in this air travel process. Because the main thing is, for example, if I'm your client, okay, I want to travel to Winnipeg, to New York, to Boston, to Nashville, to Detroit. So what I'm looking forward the best service and the best fares. Then how you will calculate the best fares? If, for example, you go on the website, any website, so customer can also see the website fares. So what are the difference between you and the website? So for example, if any client come back to you and you see the any XYZ private website and you quoted the fare, okay, so what is the difference between the website and the client can also go on the website is through electronic now. He also can book the ticket from the website. So why he will come back to your agency? He will only come back to your agency once you have a software and you have a knowledge of to construct a fare, to construct a private and a promotional fares. Is that clear to you? So guys, I believe if you are a travel agent, if you're a student, or if you want to open your own travel process, speak to A Square House, because A Square House is having a good expertise in languages, delivering the entire things in different languages, and a good expertise of IATA's program. And for air ticketing process, we are giving a proper training for air ticketing travel process. Okay, so speak to us, feel free to speak with us. My number is already displayed in my channel. Okay, so speak to us and I believe it will help you out. So by the time, take care, bye bye.